pretty cool little spot, but I think it's closing time. It's also during the week, so. This is the arepa. This is the tamales. Made out of banana leaves. What a good. See, in the streets of downtown Bogota, you got the organic coffee, you got the arepas, the juice, fresh juice, you got the fruit bowls or cups, and then we're gonna go to the little street vendors over here. Souvenirs.
Bienvenidos, sigan. Hágame que ya llegó diciembre. Hola, bienvenida.
You gotta wear your jersey for tonight, bro.
Hola, bienvenida.
Hola. There's a soccer game later on tonight, so. Books. Ooh, books. This is a church? No, it's just some random square. That's cool. Alright. Supermarket tour. Not really a supermarket, but a Bimbo. Let's see. This is the section I like to check out. The chips. Oh, these are pretty good. Cookies. Yeah, we got those Oreos. Cool. Cheetos. Lay's. Ruffles. The cheese flavor. They got Doritos. Again, we're in Colombia. Bogota. Lemon flavor. It's cool. Oh, we tried some chicken flavor. These. It tastes like hot wings. Tastes more like a chicken soup than anything. Small size. Margarita. Papas. The dollar right now is 3.9. So like $2 almost. No, $1.50 give or take. Pony. What the hell is Pony? Where's the Coke? So 4.1, about $1. Oh, and they have Coke Zero. Sin azúcar. Con café. These are bomb right here. Club Colombia Dorado. These are pretty good. Oh, we bought some. Oh, these. Don't try those. They're disgusting. It tastes like a rum and coke, but it's 2% alcohol, and it tastes more like brown sugar. Choco Crispies. It's cool. Alright, get a water. Got a t-shirt. Oh yeah. kind of want to ask the price to know what price you shouldn't pay. Oh, dude, cool. So right now it's 9:55 a.m. and our Uber driver told us that usually shops open at 10. That's when everything gets started. That's one thing I asked because I noticed that different countries, they open stores at different hours, you know? Oh, look. Bottle opener. I love gold.
Ah, verdad. Pero ya era partido. No, no.
No, usted misma dijo, a la hora que es, hay que dejar de los...
Es que me haga de estar aquí todo el mundo mirándolo a uno. Pues no, para estar pendientes del partido.
Ah, bienvenido, puede decir que te tengo camisetas de Colombia.
Oh, restaurants. Chapel of Prayer. You ever notice the chubby people? There's like chubby.
Oh yeah, you know I have seen those.
Yeah. Look, there's some more right there. Look. See?
Bienvenidas. ¿Ese dónde lo compró? En Goa. ¿En Goa? Pero es que allá no vuelven a sacar. Yo te digo, casi no vuelven a sacar. Hola, bienvenida.
Gracias.
Hola, buenos días, bienvenidos.
Gracias. Buenos días. Let's ask how much this t-shirt is. Shall we? Is it here? No. Where? What? Where was it at?
What, a t-shirt?
Yeah. Oh, ho, ho.
¿Se sirve?
¿Cuánto cuestan tus playeras?
Esas son a 35.000 pesos.
35,000. Gracias. You ever seen this phrase?
No.
Chipotle?
What is it?
Que chimba?
Green?
Yeah. But that's what they say. Welcome to Plaza Bolívar. It's like the Zócalo, right? Mexican, sorry. Have to make that reference. Beautiful square. Pigeons everywhere. We're in the 3rd Street Promenade. If you're familiar with Santa Monica. Yes, it's a joke. It's not. Anyway, it's closed off to the to cars, but you can still bike or skateboard. And then we have little chess tables right here. It's pretty cool.
Esto desde lejos no se ve. Lo que se ve de lejos son los cachos
Voodoo.
que la mujer le está colocando a usted. O al revés.
Oh, that's a little
Voy
head.
a enseñar ese animal.
That's a little head.
Diga cascabel, diga suerte.
This dude has a little stand. He fixes, bike tires, flats and stuff. Genius. Oh, he has parts, seats and all that. That's cool. Of course, everybody's selling, like those sweaters, jackets, hoodies. But nowhere in the world I've seen that, where on the spot they could just fix your tire. You have to look for a bike shop, and there's never one around when you need it. Dude selling sugarcane juice. You got the llamas, the traditional Colombian dresses. Guess who's going up the mountain? ¿Cómo se llama la montaña? Beautiful sky right here. Guess who's going up the mountain? So Colombia's playing soccer against Uruguay today, and I think it's 2-1 and it's almost over, and people are watching it on the big screen. This is like a mall, but maybe it's like 5 p.m. give or take. We're just getting off work, watching the game. I think it's almost over.